Welcome back to our channel, Hair Enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, hair transplants. If you've ever wondered about this life-changing procedure, you've come to the right place. We'll answer some of the most common questions about hair transplants. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and leave your comments below. Your support means the world to us. Now, let's get started with the first question. What is a hair transplant, and how does it work? Our first question is about the basics of hair transplants. A hair transplant is a surgical procedure designed to restore hair in areas where there is thinning or baldness. It involves taking healthy hair follicles from one part of the body, often the back or sides of the scalp, and transplanting them to the areas that need hair restoration. Who is a suitable candidate for a hair transplant? The suitability of a candidate for a hair transplant depends on various factors. Generally, individuals with stable donor hair supply, which refers to having healthy hair follicles available for transplantation, make good candidates. It's crucial to have a thorough consultation with a qualified hair transplant specialist who can evaluate your specific condition and determine if you're an ideal candidate for the procedure. Let's proceed to the next question. What are the different techniques used in hair transplant procedures? Hair transplant techniques have evolved over the years, offering different options for individuals seeking hair restoration. The two primary techniques are follicular unit transplantation and follicular unit extraction. Follicular unit transplantation involves removing a strip of scalp from the donor area and dissecting it into individual grafts for transplantation. On the other hand, follicular unit extraction involves extracting individual hair follicles directly from the donor area using a specialized tool. Both techniques have their advantages and considerations, so it's essential to consult with a hair transplant specialist to determine the best approach for your unique situation. Now, let's move on to the next question. Are hair transplants permanent, or do they require additional treatments? One of the most common questions about hair transplants is whether they provide permanent results. However, it's important to note that hair transplants do not prevent further hair loss in non-transplanted areas. So, to maintain a consistent and natural appearance, some individuals may choose to undergo additional treatments or follow a personalized hair care regimen. Let's move on to the next question. What are the potential risks and complications associated with hair transplant surgery? Like any surgical procedure, hair transplants come with potential risks and complications. Although uncommon, risks may include bleeding, infection, scarring, or temporary shock loss, where transplanted hair sheds before regrowing. It's crucial to thoroughly discuss any concerns with your hair transplant specialist and follow post-operative care instructions diligently. Let's proceed to the next question. How long does it take to recover from a hair transplant procedure? The recovery period after a hair transplant can vary from person to person. Initially, you may experience some swelling, redness, or scabbing in the treated area, which is normal and temporary. Most individuals can resume their regular activities within a few days to a week after the procedure. However, it's important to note that the transplanted hair follicles will enter a resting phase and shed before new hair growth begins. This is a normal part of the process and can take a few weeks to a few months. How much does a hair transplant typically cost? The cost of a hair transplant can vary depending on several factors, including the geographic location, the extent of the procedure, the chosen clinic or surgeon, and the technique used. Generally, hair transplants are considered an investment in your self-confidence and well-being. It's crucial to consult with different clinics and surgeons to get a comprehensive understanding of the costs involved and the services provided. Remember, the price should not be the sole determining factor. Quality and expertise should also be considered. Now, let's proceed to our final question. What sets Turkish hair transplant clinics apart? And why is Turkey considered a popular destination for individuals seeking hair transplant procedures? Turkish hair transplant clinics have gained significant recognition and popularity in recent years. Turkey has become a sought-after destination for individuals seeking hair transplant procedures due to several reasons. Turkish clinics often offer advanced techniques, experienced surgeons, competitive pricing, and high-quality services. Additionally, Turkey's thriving medical tourism industry provides a welcoming and comfortable environment for international patients. However, it's crucial to do thorough research, read reviews, and choose a reputable clinic with a track record of successful outcomes. That wraps up today's Q&A video on hair transplants. We hope we've answered your questions and provided valuable insights into this transformative procedure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and leave your comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep rocking your beautiful hair.